Welcome to your Crypto Weather Report, where we discuss current trading conditions in the crypto market, the direction of the money flow, and how it can give you the edge you need to improve your success rate. We'll be running through these 5 charts to gauge current market sentiment whilst highlighting points of change and points of continuation for each one, so you know exactly what to look for to preempt any shifts in the current trading weather. Bitcoin decides the direction of the market and the pace of that direction, so we'll definitely take a look at that. Bitcoin dominance, the amount of money flowing into Bitcoin compared to altcoins. The total altcoin market cap is the amount of money flowing into altcoins compared to Bitcoin. Total 2 rising, as an example, indicates altcoin season, good trading for altcoins. The US dollar index indicates the conditions for wider financial markets. For example, the dollar rising is bearish for crypto, and USDT dominance is the amount of money on the sidelines in the crypto market. USDT trending down indicates money flowing into the market. So let's go. This is Bitcoin currently consolidating following a macro uptrend where the price action broke back into this broadening wedge pattern, currently trying to find its footing at the lower support line and also trying to confirm the successful SR flip of this 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. Points of continuation would be a move towards this upper broadening wedge trend line and potentially putting in a new high for the year, and a successful SR flip of this 200 moving average, which the price action is trying to do at the moment. If Bitcoin can't hold the lower trend line of this broadening wedge highlighted here in red, and if it can't successfully hold this 200 moving average, then those would be points of change, which would equal potentially more downside. So keep an eye on that. This is Bitcoin dominance, currently in a strong uptrend, which has equaled poor altcoin trading over the last few weeks. Potentially there are signs of a trend change, which would be a bearish retest of this diagonal trend line, which appears to be happening at the moment, and a lower high. A confirmed break below 51.10 would definitely equal improved altcoin trading. Points of continuation would be, of course, a resumption of the uptrend and a successful SR flip of 53.12, this trend line here in orange, which would equal continued Bitcoin season. If you're thinking of entering an altcoin trade, waiting for these points of change to occur and a confirmation of a switch from an uptrend to a downtrend would improve your chances of a successful trade. Whenever Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin are moving upwards together, that typically equals poor altcoin trading, so we need to see this move lower for any chance of better altcoin movement. This is total 2, total altcoin market cap, currently consolidating following a strong uptrend over the last few months. For improved altcoin trading, we need to see a resumption of the uptrend, which would equal a higher high and a continued move towards 868.248. And a break above this green trend line would definitely help altcoins move. This is the dollar, currently consolidating following a macro uptrend. However, the index is currently trying to put in a higher high, which would potentially indicate uptrend continuation, which would continue to add inhibitory pressure on the markets. However, points of change for the positive would be a support break of this level here at 102.661, and of course, making sure we don't have a successful SR flip of this line. And finally, this is USDT dominance, currently consolidating, trying to find a direction. Points of change for poor altcoin trading would be a move towards this uptrend line here in red at 6.52. Even worse would be if the price action can come above it and successfully flip the trend line from resistance to support. For improved altcoin trading though, we need to see a lower high and potentially a support break of this trend line here in green at 5.67. When USDT dominance is moving lower, that indicates improved trading conditions across the market as people are selling their USDT and buying into altcoins and Bitcoin. So those are the points of change to look out for. Have you ever wondered why certain coins move but others don't? Do you want to know exactly when the best time to trade is, long or short? Subscribe to your CryptoFuture today to find out. Now here's your Crypto Weather Report summary. Today's weather report in summary. Currently indecisive trading across the market, and as a result, altcoins are not moving well. However, Bitcoin has regained key support levels and is currently attempting to hold them, with the wider market simply waiting for a more tradable structure to form, indicating the potential for improved altcoin trading in the coming days, with Bitcoin dominance potentially in the process of switching from an uptrend to a downtrend, which would equal improved altcoin trading if confirmed. Alts are looking to regain key support levels, but movement is slight as continued pressure from the dollar is keeping traders cautious. Currently not great conditions in the market, so if you're thinking of entering a trade, These points of change are what you need to look out for. Bitcoin needs to establish a more obvious structure for more confident trading across the market, and Bitcoin dominance needs to confirm a trend change with a lower high on the 2-hour time frame. The dollar also needs to switch back to a downtrend for market conditions to improve with any sustainability. Current moon phase is a third quarter, which is bullish, with an upcoming waning crescent. This has been your Crypto Weather Report. Be safe out there, subscribe for more.